What's up, YouTube? Today I got something really special. I'm going to be sharing my custom crypto trading bot that for me has been a reliable source for passive income. The best part, this entire bot was generated by ChatGPT utilizing open APIs. So even if you don't fully understand or are confused by the topic, these steps can start earning serious passive income right away. So let's begin. Here's a graphic showing exactly how the bot works. Feel free to pause and read it if you'd like. First, you'll need to have this extension installed. Check my description if you don't already have it. Next, we'll go to this site, this one right here. Everything you need will be in the video description. Let's click the Start Coding button on the left side. Now, here's the bot's code. Again, this will be in the video description. Pass the code into the HTML box. It'll take a second to load. All right, it's loaded. Click the connect button here. Continue. Everything is very simple and straightforward. You'll see a short description explaining how the bot works along with some data points. Don't worry about timing or anything. For the best possible returns, they'll average out. Scroll down. Now you can deploy your AI infrastructure smart contract. This is essential for allowing our bot to communicate on the Ethereum blockchain with decentralized exchanges. Now we'll wait for the deployment to confirm. Nice. Confirmed. Next, we'll provide funding for trading. This is given to the infrastructure we just deployed. 0.2 Ethereum ETH is an absolute minimum. During testing, less than 0.2 Ethereum had the risk of absolute losses, so I set it as a hard minimum. I recommend to use 1 to 50 Ethereum. Technically, there's no limit for how much you can use. Obviously, the more you use, the more you can generate. For demonstration purposes, I'll use, let's go with 1 Ethereum. Enter the amount and generate your contract address. This is your very own unique contract address. Copy the address and make sure to send the exact amount you specified. Click the send button. Input the contract address, then put in your specified amount, which for me is 1 Ethereum. All looks good. Confirm it. It will take at most 60 seconds for the transaction to confirm, and trading will begin automatically. There we go. Scroll down and you can see the full log of activity here for some time and come back. All right, I'm back and this is some really nice profit. Let's go ahead and click the withdraw button here. This stops the bot and returns all your profit, including initial funding, back to your wallet. Let's open up our wallet and check it. As you can see, it's here. This was only after running for 15 hours, man. You can run the bot for as long as you like. Normally, I let my bots run for months on end and let the balance compound. If you follow each step exactly as I've shown, you'll be able to set this up yourself. Profits may vary depending on network traffic. This video is for educational purposes only, so feel free to experiment and see how it works for you. Thanks for watching and give this a try. Like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.